The landscape of artificial intelligence has just experienced a seismic shift with the arrival of Inception's Mercury 2, a model that doesn't just incrementally improve upon existing technology but fundamentally reimagines how AI thinks and communicates, shattering the long-standing latency barrier by generating text at an unprecedented speed of over 1,000 tokens per second. To understand why this matters, we have to look under the hood of every major AI model you've used up until now. ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini all rely on a mechanism called autoregressive generation, which works like a very fast but fundamentally constrained typist, producing text one word or token at a time, sequentially, from left to right. This creates a massive bottleneck because the expensive graphics processing unit doing the work spends most of its time shuffling data around in memory rather than actually computing, like a master chef who has to walk back to the pantry after every single ingredient. The industry has thrown billions of dollars and specialized chips at this problem, trying to squeeze more performance out of what is essentially a broken workflow. But Inception took a radically different path rooted in diffusion, the same technical approach that powers image generators like Midjourney and Sora. Instead of typing out an answer word by word, Mercury works like an editor, starting with a rough sketch of the entire response and then refining it all at once across multiple tokens in parallel through a process called denoising. This parallel processing shifts the fundamental constraint from being memory-bound to being compute-bound, which is precisely what GPUs are designed to handle. Meaning, for the same hardware you can produce dramatically more tokens at a fraction of the cost. The raw numbers are staggering. Running on NVIDIA Blackwell GPUs, Mercury achieves an output throughput of roughly 1,000 tokens per second, which is about 10 times faster than leading speed-optimized models like Claude 4.5 Hiker and GPT-5 Mini, with an end-to-end latency of just 1.7 seconds compared to over 23 seconds for its competitors. What's truly remarkable is that this blistering speed does not come at the expense of intelligence, as Mercury holds its own on rigorous reasoning benchmarks, scoring competitively on tests for graduate-level science questions, advanced mathematics, and coding challenges. This combination of speed and quality, enabled by a rebuilt serving engine and redesigned noiser components, unlocks entirely new categories of real-time applications. For the first time, we can envision agentic loops running multiple steps with tight feedback cycles, voice assistants operating with natural human-like responsiveness, and coding workflows that allow for instant iterative refactoring without the compounding latency that has plagued these use cases. To top it off, Inception has priced this revolution aggressively, undercutting competitors by a factor of 4, making high-speed reasoning accessible for production deployment at just 75 cents per million output tokens. This isn't just an incremental step, it is a paradigm shift that proves the successor to the transformer architecture may not be a bigger model or a faster chip, but a smarter way of generating language itself, one that edits rather than types, and in doing so finally breaks the latency wall.